A picture perfect fall tree. You can see the leaves have fallen down. Tree is standing tall, looking gorgeous. Now this is the law of nature. Nobody can stop in fall the leaves to fall down. It's the hope coming spring they will come back again, and the rejuvenation cycle will continue. My awesome friends, this is the way life and your business is. In your business, some of your customers, members may leave. No worries, because if you continue doing your best, new members, new business is there for you to go and capture. So Ginny Jolly, enjoying the fall colors, enjoying the fall tree, and reminding you to keep on smiling and doing your best. Unleash your free spirit and be like the fall tree, straight and tall, enjoying the color.